Morning, boys. How are you today, huh? How are you today? How are you today, huh? Very good. Very good. Okay. Let's go. Step up. Let's see what you weigh today, buddy. This is the laughing gull, one of the problem species we have here at JFK. One of the largest nesting colonies on the East Coast is right here in Jamaica Bay. They come in for the grasshoppers and they flood the airport, taxiways, runways, and thank goodness falcons are very effective in clearing them out. They see that falcon and boom, they're gone. Bird strikes are a billion-dollar problem worldwide. Birds striking aircraft cause problems to motors, to fuselage. They can bring a plane down. Even if there's no structural damage, a pilot's going to want to check, which brings about delays because he's going to want to turn around and land to be sure. I'll take out 3 birds now. And we don't like to take more than 2 or 3 at a time in the truck. Step back. The hood is just like blinders on a horse. That just keeps the bird calm while he's traveling so he doesn't get upset or try to jump and bang his feathers and damage his feathers in any way. Once he's out in the airfield, ready to fly, hood comes off, the leather straps come off, the bird is totally free and unencumbered. The idea is to make them appear to be hunting. So they'll stoop, in other words, they'll dive out of the sky trying to hit the lure. I make them miss, they rocket back up into the sky and they dive again and again and again. And the effect, of course, is that the gulls see it as a live predator. So if they whip their talons out and hit that lure and I don't pull it back fast enough, I drop it. They come down, they know their job is done, they get fed, they come back to the compound, they get the sunshine, they get the fresh water, and they get their meal. Falcons are bird eaters, so that's what they love to eat. We feed them farm-raised quail, or we feed them day-old chicks, little roosters that are being discarded by the poultry industry. By the way, you see when the bird got me before? Totally accidental. It's not trying to hurt me. The talons are sharp.
How often does that happen?
It can happen just about every day. You know, you get a little slice, it just happens. Well, these are farm-raised quail, and I'm going to slice one of these up a little because I don't want Connor to have an entire one, so I'm going to slice this leg off. And then I will, when I'm on the field, I'll take the feathers off. They like it better without having to pick through the feathers, and then go right to their food. You know, it's really neat that in this day and age, with all the high-tech stuff we have, computers and GPSs and whatnot, and we even use some of that, like little radio transmitters, but we still use the time-tested, thousands of years old traditions of flying hawks and falcons, listening to the tinkle of those bells in the air, knowing where your bird is, and controlling the gull population here at Kennedy.
Freedom Air 61
79 Kennedy ground. It's going to be runway 31 left at Kilo Kilo for departure. Taxi left on Bravo and hold short of Kilo Kilo.
So they're landing on 4 right and they're taking off on 4 left.
2111 heavy Kennedy ground. It's going to be runway 31
It's always good to have your bearings.
Taxi down.
I've always wanted them to announce runway changes over the air, but they don't.
American 1165 at Foxtrot sidestep to Bravo, then join Zulu Alpha and hold short of runway 31 right.